So hello friends, welcome back in a new video. I am Tami Mondol. You are watching Learning Tube. So guys, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic. This is water image. In different types of competitive exam, this chapter is the basic of reasonings. If you are going to participate in an reasoning examination, then you must need to do this chapter water image. So let's start with the basics. See, at first we have to know that what is water image. Water image is the reflection of any object which we see in water. Like here is a river and here is the whiteboard. What will be the reflection of the blackboard in the water of the river? That will be the water image of this object. So let's start with an example. See that we are going to discuss the water image of this figure. Then if at start I can tell you, if I tell you that find the water image of this figure, then if you want to do this correctly, then you have to use some rules. They are: the top portion of this figure shall come in bottom and the bottom portion shall go upwards. Like here it is a figure. The upper portion is a small, it is a rectangle, in the middle it is a line and a star. There shall be no changes because the water image, the reflections of a figure remains same in some different cases. But if you are going to do the water image of the letter A, then at first here is 2 points at the bottom and these 2 points shall come in the top, and at the top of this actual figure, it is actual figure which is X, and it will be the water image, water reflected figure which is Y. So here is 2 points, and in the top of the figure X here is 1 point, and it is joined by 2 line segments, and in the middle here is a line. It will be the water reflected figure. Now see, if you have not realized this concept, then please comment down. So friends, now see that I have drawn a clock here. Now I have to find its water image. At first I have to draw around to indicate this clock, and I have to measure the distance and the other things of the clock and the portion of the clock. So there we need many times, but we have not many times in our competitive exams, so we need a shorter time to do this. So here is a trick. At first you have to measure the time. What is the time shown in the clock? It is 7:20. So friends, here is cut for some issues. So last time we have counted that the time shown in the clock is 7:20. So what we have to do for finding its water image? We have to subtract this time 7:20 from 18:30. What will be the answer? The answer will be 9:10. So the water image of this clock is 9:10. If the time is 8:30, then what you have to do? Let's see. Where is, take the example 8:40. So what we have to do? We have to subtract it from 1830. Then the doubt comes, how we can subtract 40 from 30? Because 40 is greater than 30, we can't subtract this. So we have to add 60 minutes to this 30 minutes and cut an hour from the 18 hours. So what comes? 1790, from which we subtract 840. So see, the answer is 950. So guys, I hope that you have realized this concept. If you have realized, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel Learning Tube and on the notification bell to stay tuned. Now please show the screenshot of the A to Z and 1 to 9, this alphabets and the numbers water image. So now let's see.